Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to export reports from QuickBooks to Excel in Classic View. Let's face it, managing your financial data effectively is crucial for any business. One of the most efficient ways to do this is by exporting reports from QuickBooks to Excel. This skill is not just a convenience, it's a necessity for anyone who wants to streamline their financial reporting processes. In this video, we'll guide you through the straightforward steps to ensure you're fully equipped to handle this task with ease. Before we jump into the steps, make sure you have your QuickBooks software open and ready to go. First things first, navigate to the specific report you wish to export. It's crucial that this report is displayed in Classic View. The layout of the report in Classic View can be slightly different from other views, so ensuring you're in the right mode will help align all the steps perfectly with what you're seeing on your screen. Once you have your report visible in Classic View, focus your attention on the Report Table window. In the top right corner of this area, you'll see a series of icons. These icons serve various purposes, allowing you to customize and manage your reports efficiently. Today, our primary focus is on the Export button, which is your gateway to transferring data to Excel. Now, the Export button might not be immediately clear, so let's pinpoint it together. Look for the icon situated just right of the gear icon. This Export button looks like a page with an arrow pointing to the right. It's this button that will allow you to swiftly export your document. After locating the export icon, go ahead and give it a click. A small menu will pop up, presenting you with a few options. Here you'll want to select the option labeled Export to Excel. By choosing this, you are instructing QuickBooks to create an Excel file of the report you've been viewing. Once you've clicked Export to Excel, the download should start automatically. Depending on how large your report is and the speed of your internet connection, the download time will vary. In just a few moments, you'll have an Excel file ready on your computer. This file can then be opened in Excel, allowing you the flexibility to review, edit, or perform more detailed analyses of your data. The ability to export QuickBooks reports to Excel is incredibly beneficial. It provides you with additional ways to manipulate your data, making it easy to present the information in different formats or conduct more in-depth analysis. This simple process of exporting helps maintain a well-organized view of your financial records, making your reporting tasks much more efficient. That's it for this tutorial on how to export reports from QuickBooks to Excel in Classic View. Subscribe to PMN Online and stay tuned for more helpful videos.